Are you a restaurant owner? Imagine a world where managing table reservations and optimizing your revenue becomes effortless. Welcome to the realm of Idea Usher, where we specialize in creating tailor-made solutions for your restaurant. So, get ready to boost your business. Today, we present a live demo of the cutting-edge restaurant booking and online ordering app we designed for our esteemed client to revolutionize how restaurants operate. Let's dive in. The application begins with an awe-inspiring splash screen, setting the stage for an unforgettable experience. Creating an account must be a breeze for customers. They can sign up by entering their name, email ID, and password. The app is seamlessly integrated with popular platforms like Google, Facebook, and iOS accounts, allowing users to register with just a few taps. Once registered, accessing the app is as simple as entering their email ID and password. With a secure login process, customers can quickly dive into the world of delightful dining experiences. Entering the app, users are greeted with a visually stunning home screen that showcases popular restaurants, nearby dining spots, and allows easy filtering based on categories, that is, restaurant characteristics, ratings, price range, type of food, and other facilities. With a sleek user interface and seamless navigation, the app ensures a delightful user experience. Let's explore a restaurant together. By selecting a restaurant from the list, users can dive into a detailed overview complete with menus, ratings about the restaurant, contact details, opening hours, address, and genuine customer reviews. Our app empowers users with valuable insights, helping them make informed decisions. It enables the user to learn the live location of the restaurant, the exact distance from the user, and the current status of the restaurant. Making a table reservation has never been easier. With just a few taps, user can specify their desired date, preferred time, and number of tables and chairs needed. The app streamlines the reservation process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for users and restaurant owners. It also gives a booking review, where users can see what they have ordered and add or remove orders. User can also see the order data, apply vouchers if any, and view the total price details of the order. Say goodbye to cumbersome payment processes. The app seamlessly integrates secure online payment options. Users can choose from various methods, ensuring a hassle-free transaction experience. With the user convenience at the forefront, we have prioritized secure and efficient payment integration. Customers' voices matter. With the app's review feature, users can share their thoughts and experiences about the restaurants they visited. They can leave ratings, write detailed reviews, and even add pictures, allowing them to glimpse the amazing dishes and ambience the restaurant offers. To take customer convenience to the next level, we introduced the game-changing feature of pre-ordering. Users can now place their orders in advance, availing themselves of an exclusive discount of 10% or 15%. This innovative functionality helps restaurant owners increase revenue and optimize their operations. We understand the importance of customer loyalty. That's why we have also incorporated a comprehensive loyalty program. Users can earn points with every reservation and enjoy exciting rewards and discounts on future bookings. This incentivizes customers to choose their restaurants time and time again. The app keeps a detailed record of users' dining experience through their order history feature. Users can easily access and review past orders, view the items they enjoyed, and provide valuable feedback and ratings. This valuable data helps restaurant owners improve their offerings and enhance customer satisfaction. We believe in providing end-to-end convenience. That's why we included a seamless navigation functionality. Users can effortlessly find their way to your restaurant with a simple tap, ensuring a smooth and stress-free dining experience. We understand the importance of personal preferences. Users can easily track their favorite restaurants with the saved section. They can bookmark and save the restaurants they love, creating a personalized list for quick access and future reference. In the settings section, the app offers a range of user-centric features for a personalized experience. The user profile feature allows the user to easily enter and manage their personal details, ensuring a tailored experience throughout the app. Stay in control of notifications with the notification feature, allowing users to enable or disable notification with a simple toggle switch. My Address feature conveniently displays users' current address, enabling accurate information for table reservations and deliveries. User can also add and manage multiple addresses for enhanced flexibility. Lastly, we understand the importance of language preference, which is why the language feature allows users to customize the app's language according to their own comfort and familiarity. With these features, we have prioritized personalization, convenience, and user control, making the app adaptable to each individual's need. The app was built on cutting-edge tech stacks like Node.js, Flutter, and Firebase, which offers a visually stunning and user-friendly interface that captivates the customers from the moment they enter. Restaurant owners, do you also want to embrace the future of dining? Then Idea Usher is your gateway to success. With our expert team of developers, the utilization of robust tech stacks, and an average development duration of just 3 to 4 months, we'll create a custom application that will elevate your restaurant to new heights. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your restaurant business. Contact Idea Usher today and let us turn your vision into reality.